Do you know how to apply individual false lashes? If you don't, Asia here, I'm gonna show you how I do it. I don't necessarily like that intro. Do you know how to apply individual false lashes to make them look natural? If you don't, watch this video. Hey guys, Asia here with another video. I'm going to show you how I apply my individual false lashes to make them look as natural as I could possibly get them. I've not seen false lashes any other color besides black. You want your lashes to match the color of the false lashes. So make sure you pick up a very black mascara. I use the Maybelline Big Colossal Big Shot something that they did with Shayla. It's a mascara that they collaborated with Shayla, but my mascara changes all the time right now. I'm loving this mascara. I use that and apply that to my natural lashes before I do anything. And then after this, I want to work really quickly. As far as the lashes go, I'm only going to use 4 individual lashes. And when I start, I'm going to take the very first lash and make sure it's as flared as possible because sometimes the lashes are longer and shorter in the pack. I'm going to take the longest lash I can find, and rather than placing it at the very end of my eye, I come in just a little bit, because if you place it too close to the end of your eye, it'll make your eye look droopy. You want your eye to look lifted. So for me, my eyes are of an almond shape, and I don't want to place it right at the very end. So I come in just a little bit and place the very first lash at that very end corner. My second lash, I overlap onto the top, almost not halfway, but partially overlapped onto the very first lash that I put onto my eye. This kind of gives it a more full effect. You know, when you look at your regular lashes, they're thinner on the inside and then they get fuller on the outside. So slightly overlapping the first and second lashes gives it that full effect right at the very end of the lash. The third lash I place right next to the second one. So it's not overlapping and it's not far away from it. It's covering up any gaps, and I'm starting to give the effect that I'm flaring my lashes out just as they would look if they were natural lashes. The fourth and final lash I place not directly next to that third lash, but just slightly next to it. So there's a little bit of a space, but not enough where you can really tell. When I do that, it just as with the natural lashes, it gives that kind of flared look. Now I only use 4 lashes if I'm doing an everyday look. It's really quick, really easy to put on. Once you get the habit of doing it, it goes by really fast. The only thing that you need to do is work quickly, because when my mascara dries on my eyes, the eyelashes, my natural lashes, they are stuck where they are and they're not moving. So when I get to the point where I've placed all of the lashes on my eyes and I want to marry those lashes together, it makes it a little bit difficult. And also, if my lashes are stuck in place, I can't maneuver them around the lash like I would want. So I would work one eye at a time and work quickly. Also, you want to make sure that your lash glue dries slightly and gets tacky before you apply it to the eye. So something that I like to do is I will put the lash glue onto the lash, then apply my mascara. And then I have all of my individual lashes just waiting for me, and I can then pick them up and put them on very quickly. Makes it really simple to do. I hope this video made sense, guys. I hope it helps you to figure out how to use individual lashes. I know that individual lashes can seem a bit intimidating. It was to me when I first started putting on my makeup and really wanted to do something with my face. But really, once you go the way of lashes, you're never gonna go back. It is so addicting. They open up your eyes. They just make you look brighter. It just does everything that you want it to do. However you want to look, it's going to do it for you. All right, guys, that is how I put on my individual lashes and try to make it look as natural as possible. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, leave me a comment and tell me what I could have done to make this video better for you. If you really like this video and you want to watch another one, I know you wanna, make sure you click on that video right there. I'm going to leave my floating head right here so that you can subscribe, y'all, because it's the right thing to do.